Now I show you how to use our 200 liters cosmetics powder mixer. This touch screen, you will see here have parameters page, menu page, and this initial page screen and this discharge page. Okay, you will see here we have English, Russian, and Chinese languages. Parameters page, we can see this main mixer. Main is this bottom mixer, and side cutter, side mixer, and oil spray speed, and oil spray time. You will see this is 5 times, and speed is 5 hertz, and running time, this is running time 3 minutes, and total oil spray, you will see total oil spray 30 seconds, and oil spray interval time every 5 seconds starts spray. Okay, and discharge page, you will see here discharge speed or discharge time. You can see this time like this 3 seconds or 2 seconds, something like this. You can see this time. Okay, and also you can discharge speed also. And this one, when you use automatic, when you this discharge, you just this one discharge on, and then this discharge cylinder, it was move back here, move back, and then you just press the discharge. This one, it will run start the discharge. Okay, so this is discharge. When it finishes 2 minutes, it will automatic stop. Okay, and then press stop. So this is about discharge. And the main page you will see this is main mixer. It means bottom mixer. Side steer, cider, and discharge on is discharge off, and heating on for here. This is some oil. Oil needs this heating. It's like this solid oils need heating. So we put this materials inside, this oil inside, like the butter, something like this inside, and then we're heating. And here, and this need open. When this need open, we should take off this one. You will see this one, we should take off. Okay, and then need open. You will see we press, keep press, it was open. You will see. So this is and then close, and then lock. Okay, so this is this page. Okay, so this is main page, and then we will switch to automatic. Here, automatic, you will see this one. You can see the speed and also everything, and the low speed, main speed, middle speed, high speed. Okay, you can see it. Okay, you can choose, and then automatic. When you start, and then automatic this operation, it was automatic running. Okay, and also automatic also oil, spray oil. Okay, so this is how to use this touch screen.